Two lines that have the same slope are considered to be parallel, and they will not cross in the coordinate plane. So let's say you have line number 1 and line number 2. If they're parallel, that means their slopes are the same. So that means they are rising and running at the same rate. So because of this, they will stay on the same trajectory, just in different locations in this plane. So their y-intercepts will be different. The location where they cross the y-axis is different. The only time you'll have parallel lines that cross is if they are the same exact line. All right, so just look out for that unique case on your quiz or exam. So if you are told that two lines are parallel, you know one slope is equal to the other. But let's say you are given the equation of one line and the point on another line. How would you figure out the equation of this line? Well, the point-slope form can be used to find the equation of a line if a point from the line plus the equation of a parallel line are given. Well, if we are given the slope of the second line, that means this slope is the same as we mentioned, so we could plug that in for m. And if you are given a specific point on the line you are trying to find, then you can plug in that point for x1 and y1, and then you use the point-slope form to figure out the equation of this line. So let's walk through this. Let's say you are given -1, 2 is a specific point on this line. You plug in -1 for x1. So x minus -1 would give you x plus 1. You plug in 2 for y2. You have your slope 2 plugged in. So with the point-slope form, now we can isolate this y to get the equation of this line. And that would give us y is equal to 2x plus 4. So that is just a snapshot of how you would utilize this method to figure out the equation of a parallel line. Let's have you walk through another example from start to finish. What is the equation of the line that passes through the point -2, 4 and is parallel to y plus 3x is equal to 5? So the first thing we'll notice is the equation of the line can be given in standard form, but as we saw, we want to have it in slope-intercept form. So the first thing we'll do is change this from standard form to slope-intercept form. So y plus 3x is equal to 5. Step 1, we'll subtract 3x from both sides to give us y is equal to -3x plus 5. So this is the equation of the line that is parallel to the one that we are looking for. So why did we want to change this to slope-intercept form? It's because now we see that the slope of the parallel line is -3, and we were given the point -2, 4 on the line that we are looking for. So now we use the slope and the point in point-slope form to calculate the equation of the line that we're looking for. So step 2, replace x1 and y1 with -2 and 4. X minus -2 gives us x plus 2. And then we get y minus 4 on this side. In step 3, we replace m, our slope, with -3. And now we have everything we need to figure out the equation of the line that we are looking for. So step 4, distribute the -3 to each term, our x and +2. -3 times x is -3x. -3 times 2 is -6. So now we are left with y minus 4 is equal to -3x minus 6. So step 5, add 4 to both sides so that we can negate this -4. -6 plus 4 is -2. So the equation of the line that we were looking for is y is equal to -3x minus 2. Let's have you try a few practice questions. Question number 1. What is the equation of the line that passes through 2, 5 and is parallel to y minus 4x is equal to 1? Question number 2. What is the equation of the line that passes through -4, 3 and is parallel to y plus 2x is equal to 3? And question number 3. What is the equation of the line that passes through -2, -4 and is parallel to y minus 3x is equal to -1? Pause the video, answer these questions, and then press play when you are ready to begin. So you are given the equation of a parallel line, but it's in standard form. You want to switch it to slope-intercept form. So for question number 1, the first step is to add 4x to both sides. This allows you to isolate y on one side, and that gives you y is equal to 4x plus 1. This is significant because the line we are looking for is parallel to this line. So the coefficient of our x is our slope 4. So 4 will be the slope of the line that we're looking for as well. And we know the point 2, 5 exists on that line. So we use the point slope form with this information to find the equation that we're looking for. So step 2, replace x1 with 2 and y1 with 5. Step 3, replace m with 4. And now we have the information that we need to figure out the equation of the parallel line. So step 4, distribute the 4 to the x and the -2. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times -2 is -8. That leaves you with y minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 8. You want to isolate y. So to get rid of this -5, step 5 is to add 5 to both sides. -8 plus 5 is -3. So we see that the parallel line that we're looking for in question number 1 is y is equal to 4x minus 3. Question number 2. Step 1, subtract 2x from both sides. This gives us a slope-intercept form of y is equal to -2x plus 3 of the parallel line. So this gives us the slope we're looking for, -2. We combine that with the point on the line we're looking for in the point slope form. And step 2, we replace x1 with -4. And we replace y1 with 3. X minus -4 becomes x plus 4. Y minus 3. Step 2, replace m with -2. Now we have the information that we need to figure out the equation of the line. Step 4, distribute the -2 to each term. -2 times x is -2x. -2 times 4 is -8. So we have y minus 3 is equal to -2x minus 8. In order to isolate y, we want to get rid of this -3. So step 5, we add 3 to both sides, leaving you with y is equal to -2x. -8 plus 3 is -5. So we get y is equal to -2x minus 5. And now question number 3. We're given y minus 3x is equal to -1 as the line that is parallel to the one that we are looking for. So we want to change it to slope-intercept form. So step 1, add 3x to both sides, giving you y is equal to 3x minus 1. This lets us know that the slope of the parallel line that we are looking for is 3. And we are given the point -2, -4 on that line. So if we use point slope form, we want to, step 2, replace x1 with -2 and y1 with -4. x minus negative 2 becomes x plus 2. Y minus negative 4 becomes y plus 4. And then step 3, replace our slope m with 3. We now have the information that we need to figure out the equation of our parallel line. So step 4, distribute the 3 to each term. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times positive 2 is positive 6. So we have y plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 6. We want to isolate y. So to get rid of positive 4, step 5 is to subtract 4 from both sides, giving us an equation of y is equal to 3x plus 2.